just from a physics perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
One idea of psychoanalysis and psychodynamics, which originated with Sigmund Freud, which is the one aspect is the whole idea of the relationship between the subconscious and the conscious. So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when a person's external stimuli is augmented, modified, or augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have disinhibited, they are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they're also removed from these phonological conscious emotions, personality, and motivations, goals, and drive. But subliminals in and of itself